There goes the big pescado. Smells so good. About to add some onions. Onions. Not just onions. They're that fun. Chicken. That. This is great, man. This is great. Nice pink meat. It's that salmon. Tastes a lot like salmon too. It's actually identical. This is why I looked up.